Welcome to the final day of Electronica 2010. Continuing its long tradition, the organizers welcome students into the trade fair on the last day of the show. Their aim is to give young people a real insight into the dynamics of the electronics industry. In today's broadcast, ETV takes a 360-degree spin around 3D graphics displays for the next generation car dashboard. We have an exclusive interview with Henri Richard, Vice President of Freescale, and we consider the opportunities for electronic component suppliers in the fast-growing market for renewable energy sources. We're on the stand shared by Fujitsu Semiconductor Europe and Innova Semiconductor. The theme here is very much automotive electronics, as you can see. This instrumentation panel, for example, designed to give you important safety information such as an open door or a flat tire, is displayed in 3D, clearly identifying the problem to the driver. Alongside, a parking system display takes the images from 4 onboard cameras, and these are cleverly combined to present the best view to the driver. Fujitsu's 360-degree wraparound view system is novel in that the driver can freely change the view. The critical technologies behind displays such as these include sophisticated graphics controller chips, plus the supporting software to run the application. Some vendors also provide development systems to help the dashboard designers create their instrument panels. These are also used for rapid prototyping, allowing engineers to see straight away what their designs are going to look like. A major limitation in integrating multiple electronic systems has been the communication between cameras and sensors, the controllers and the displays themselves. This is where Fujitsu's partner Innova Semiconductor plays an important role. We are delighted to welcome Henri Richard, Vice President Global Sales and Marketing of Freescale, to the ETV studio. Bonjour, Henri.
Bonjour.
It seems that the Electronica 2010 themes of automotive, energy efficiency and medical electronics perfectly matches Freescale's target market.
Absolutely. Going green, health and safety, and the net effect have been 3 pillars of our corporate strategy since 2006.
And Freescale has taken the opportunity provided by Electronica to launch a new range of devices for the automotive market. Can you tell us how and why these devices differ from standard microcontrollers?
Indeed, the Coriva microcontrollers are the standard in automotive industry. So from that standpoint, they don't differ. But what's unique about them is that they cover every single aspect of automotive applications.
And medical electronics is another sector with special requirements. So what are Freescale's ambitions in this area?
Well, we want to change the world. It's a paradox that in the 21st century, most people have an analog scale as the most sophisticated medical equipment in their home, and we want to bring them much more sophisticated device to help them live better lives.
And finally, on energy efficiency, can you tell us about the Freescale's ambitions or contribution to the green energy campaign?
We're involved in smart grid, we're involved in electrification of powertrain, we're involved in low power device, we have a corporate policy of recycling and energy efficiency. So we do as much as we can to contribute to that Going Green initiative.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Renewable energies, harnessing the power inherent of the sun, the wind and the waves. This is becoming a big business globally. And the beauty is that it works on a large and a small scale. From pocket-sized solar panels for charging your mobile phone to roof-sized photovoltaic panels to generate electricity for your home, all the way up to solar, wind or wave farms that can support whole communities. There are both challenges and opportunities for the electronics industry, of course. We're going to take a closer look at the photovoltaic market. Welcome to Alfred Hesener, Senior Director Marketing and Applications for Fairchild Semiconductor. Mr. Hesener, what are the key challenges for power components going into the inverters and photovoltaic power generation systems today?
Well, in PV inverters, there's 2 main challenges. One, of course, is the efficiency of the system that is driven by the power electronics components in there, and the other one is reliability. The system has to survive for 20 years. You don't want to replace it every other year, and so the reliability is a key issue.
And what type of devices are critical here?
The power electronics components that go into PV inverters are IGBTs, high voltage MOSFETs, and also power rectifiers as used, for example, in the boost converter.
And I guess there must be more to do in this area too.
Oh yes, that's a very challenging application in terms of grid quality that must be supported here. There is lots of challenges there to improve the grid quality, and that requires more robust power electronics components in the inverter.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
The atmosphere here this morning is slightly more relaxed than it has been during the week. Exhibitors are beginning to look tired but happy after a long and busy 4 days. We'll be back for our final broadcast from Electronica 2010 later today. We will be learning more about the developments in organic electronics, and we'll have a special feature highlighting the global problem of dealing with waste electronic and electrical equipment. See you later.